Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 29th October 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have to make everyone into a resident of the land of angels. You are those who benefit everyone. Your duty is to make the poor wealthy. Question: which of the Father's names are ordinary, even though the task he carries out with those names is very great? Answer: Baba is called the Master of the Garden and the Boatman. These names are very ordinary, yet to take across those who are drowning is such a great task. Just as a swimmer holds onto someone's hand to be taken across, so too, by taking the Father's hand, you become residents of heaven. You are also master boatmen. You show everyone the way to take their boat across. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to become Narayan from an ordinary human, listen to the true Father every day. Keep the company of the truth. Never cause anyone sorrow with your thoughts, words or deeds. Second is, in order to become a bead of the rosary of victory and pass with honors, increase your speed of remembrance. Become a master purifier and serve everyone to make them pure. Blessing for today. May you be a soul with such elevated fortune of the confluence age that you remain merged in God's lap of remembrance. Details are: the confluence age is even more elevated than golden-aged heaven, because the memorial of the present time is that there is nothing lacking in the world of Brahmans. Having found the one Father, you have found everything. Now, you children sometimes swing in the swing of supersensuous joy, sometimes in happiness, sometimes peace, sometimes knowledge, sometimes bliss, and sometimes you swing in the swing of God's lap. God's lap is the stage of being absorbed in remembrance. This lap enables you to forget all the sorrow and suffering of many births in a second. So, constantly keep these elevated sanskars in your awareness and become a fortunate soul. Slogan is, become so worthy that Baba sings songs of you and you sing songs of Baba. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. In order to make this practice powerful, first of all experiment on yourself. Every month or every 15 days, take one or another particular virtue or power and experiment on yourself with this. There will be test papers in gatherings and in connections and relationships. So, first of all, experiment on yourself and see how many times you were successful with any particular virtue or power. When you experience success on yourself, the zeal and enthusiasm to experiment with this on others will then automatically increase in your heart.